Hi guys, finally I got this mobile from Flipkart within 1 days. This is a very good and happy news for me. So I'm going to unboxing this and let me show you to what is inside the box. So let's open it. Inside we have a bill which is 13,990 and this is the box of Realme 2 Pro. The box color is white and red. Good. Let's cut the seal of the box. This is 4GB and 64GB internal option, which I do have. Yeah, and let's go to the color of this mobile, and the color of the mobile is wow, ocean blue color. Good. Let's open it. Wow. Top of the box we do have some product guides and user manual. You can see basic info as well as, and this is the silicone case, which is good and impressive. Good things that we get it. And this is our main device. Let me keep this side and go to the inside of the box. This is USB cable. This is power adapter. Its rating is 5 volt 2 ampere. It's not a speed charger. Oppo's a branded charger. It's nothing have inside the box. Okay. It's SIM ejected tools, and this is the main device. We are removing the sticker. Wow, this is the front side, this is the back side. Let me give you the physical review of this mobile. The back part of the mobile is metallic body, which is blue. Top of the mobile, it's having noise cancellation microphone, and the right side it's have power button. Bottom side it's have 3.5mm jack, micro SD port for the charging, and the speaker. Right side it's having volume up down key and SIM tray. Let's have a look on the SIM tray. Let's open it. Wow, this is not a hybrid SIM. We are getting a dedicated micro SD card and 2 nano SIM, which is good for everyone. And the micro SD card expandable up to 256GB. Wow, this is very good thing for this mobile. Let's power up this device. It's take time to opening. Okay. Realme powered by Android. Now it's showing us a Realme logo. Mobile having 6.3-inch full HD plus IPS LCD screen, and it's providing us Snapdragon 660 processor, which is octa-core, and this mobile has rear dual camera 16MP and 2MP. You can use it as a depth. Front camera is 16MP and the battery is 3500 mAh, and it's have face unlock